300 times more than you, buddy.
Father and son moments. Isn't that the cutest thing? Perfect music right too. Oh.
I'm winning. You gotta be tougher, buddy. I let him go. I won.
Do you know why the leaves fell from the tree?
Yeah, of course. They get bored.
Of course. No, the reason why is because for the winter, so that the tree can absorb all the nutrients inside the leaves, like chlorophyll and shit. So it doesn't waste nutrients on the leaves. So that's why they're all really dry and kind of not green when they fall. Because the tree hasn't absorbed all the nutrients from it, and the green leaves that are on the tree still have that nutrients that the tree needs. That's only for some deciduous plants, I believe they're called deciduous, or something like that. That was really interesting. I never knew why. I thought I'd know that in biology class, but I guess not. Someone playing basketball next door.
I have not left the house today. It's dark. Can people hear bats?
Of course.
We're listening for a nighttime bird. So there's some.
Just noticed we're here. Is that buzzing sound coming from that light?
Yep. I hate that light. He's old. You don't want him to catch a bat? I heard a frog earlier as well, which doesn't impress any of the people from Washington, but we don't have frogs in Alaska to my knowledge. And we most certainly don't have them near my house. What the hell is that?
Shh. Where's that area? Walk over there.
Sounds like there's a monkey out here. Hopefully you could hear that noise, because I'm going back in the house. It is too spooky out here. Going back in the house, cat. He's visiting his Siamese cat friend.
Yeah.
I'll make sure I'm recording. Am I on it? Okay. Bats are ultrasonic. The sounds they make are 2 or 3 times higher than what we can hear. So it's some kind of nighttime bird.
So we
Some
can't
sort
hear
of-
bats at all?
You want to go look at the internet? That's what I just did.
Okay. Let's look at the internet. So sometimes you do put things in your own words and it's wrong.
Kind of freaky, terrifying nighttime bird out there.
Probably. Maybe it misses its babies. Babies left.
Type in terrifying nighttime birds Washington.
Could be a bird, yes.
Terrifying nighttime birds Washington. At night, anytime I wake up at night, I also hear them, so it's dark. Loud sounds, almost screeching. I don't know how to describe them in the words, but they're loud. I hear them inside with all the windows shut. What are they? And then 15 exclamation points. It could be owls, says this person. A lot of videos on YouTube with no video on them. Is that what it sounds like?
Yeah.
Apparently that is what a baby great horned owl sounds like.
Oh.
Which is adorable, but
Can they kill you?
they could probably kill Markle. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the sound. Okay, yeah, it was an owl.
I wanted it to be a bat, just to scare you.
It's so weird how they don't sound like owls. They sound like... That's funny.